AI gives us plenty of possibilities. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert audio or video into plain text. Hey guys, my name is Vlad, and I'm really happy to see all of you again today. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for your support. In today's video, we're going to talk about something really cool. We are going to use Whisper. It's an open source model from OpenAI that could help us automatically recognize speech and convert it into text. At the end of the video, you will have a web application that will allow you to convert audio or video into text. You also will be able to record your voice or record anything and then convert it to a text. If you are ready and you are interested in how to do this in your local computer, please watch this video till then and let's get started. Whisper is automatic speech recognition system developed by OpenAI. It's basically designed to transcribe spoken language into written text. It supports multilingual transcriptions and translation tasks. Since it's open source, everyone can use it. You can create your web application or different application by using this technology. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run this model locally on your computer. For this, we will just need to do few things. Clone repository, runs few commands, and run our application. Really simple and straightforward. Okay, first of all, we are going to copy Whisper WebGPU repository to our computer. Copy this command and paste it in your terminal. This project utilizes OpenAI Whisper model, Argy Face Transformer.js, ONNX runtime, and White is a local development server. So the good things is that this core model is optimized for web. It's about 200 megabytes in size, so it's really lightweight and very powerful and good for real-time applications. Once the cloning process is finished, go inside the folder Whisper-web, run White. You need to install Node.js on your computer. So to do that, use sudo apt install Node.js. And you also need to install npm package manager. You can use command sudo apt install npm. Then you would need to install all dependencies. Inside this project, just run command npm install. And this command will install all dependencies. And after that, we can start our server. Use npm run dev command, and then you will see the URL to your server. Let's copy it and open inside our browser. Okay, here we go. And this is our web application, Whisper Web. This application is using WebGPU technology. It means the models run entirely on our device. Okay, let's try our application in action. We can pass URL to audio file and then click load button. It will take some time because we need to load model first, but then everything will be fast. Okay, our file is loading now, and transcription will start pretty soon. Here we go, this is our result. As you can see, it's pretty fast, but of course performance will depend on your computer. At the end, we will be able to download our transcription in TXT format or in JSON. Here we go, this is our results. And as you can see, Whisper could recognize sentences, it could add punctuations, and fixing errors. Really cool. Let's look at the JSON result. JSON file has timestamps and all the punctuation as in the previous result. Okay, let's try to do it with video. To transcribe your video, you have to save it first. I'm going to use MPG-4 format, so let's see how Whisper can handle it. I've noticed there is some bug in the code of this web application, because once I upload the video and click transcribe button, it shows me the result from my previous request. So to make it work, just reload the page, and then everything should be okay. I've reloaded the page and asked Whisper to transcribe my video now. And as you could see, it's working really well with MP4 format as well. Okay, let's see at the result. And seems it's pretty good. You also could try a record function. Basically, you can record your voice and then get text from your recording. That's it. As you could see, it's so easy and so simple to run this model locally on your computer, all what you need, simple installations, and only your browser. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please click like. If you don't like it, it's okay. Share with me your feedback in comments below. Click like, it's okay. Share this video with your friends. Watch my other videos. Subscribe to my channel, a lot of things. And don't forget to watch my other videos. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.